Hi, I'm Professor Vyas, founding executive director for Kendrick Global Supply Chain Management Institute at University of Southern California. The experience over the last 2.5 days being in Slovenia and being part of this amazing conference put on by the Slovenian Logistics Congress is phenomenal. What I saw is an absolute energy, thought-provoking conversation, and and tremendous optimism about how Slovenia, as a part of the bigger EU region, can play a role to actually take a lead in many of the supply chain issues and opportunities in the future. I believe that EU as a region, Western as well as Eastern Europe as a part of that, and Slovenia in specifically, can truly become a value add network going forward for the resilient, agile, and sustainable supply chain. And I think there is certainly a huge opportunity. And I really thank Igor for his leadership in bringing the global leaders and speakers and participants across the region to come together and talk about how Slovenia can really become the solution provider going forward in the world of supply chain. So I wish them, again, continued success and incredible congratulations to the entire team behind the scene for the Slovenian Logistics Congress for doing a phenomenal job. I believe the vision the ministers share during the conference and my conversations with the president of Slovenian Logistics Congress, Igor, I think it is a huge opportunity for Slovenia to bring together various stakeholders, not only from the Europe, but also from Americas and Asias and other parts of the world. And truly, let's talk through some of the opportunities about the new generation network design. How do we create a traceable supply chains? How do we bring the innovation here, both in Slovenia, in Europe, and also make sure that the future of supply chain is much more stable? And I think there's only an opportunity to expand the scope of the Slovenian Logistics Congress to bring more stakeholders to the game. Well, being part of this experience of the Slovenian Logistics Congress, I am truly excited to be part next year. And I want to invite all of you to come and experience yourself the energy, the opportunities, and truly a phenomenal leadership that's being taken by Slovenian Logistics Congress to expand the thought leaderships within the supply chain. So I look forward to seeing all of you next year's right here in Slovenia on our next conference.